today I am going to strap baby puppy on a firework because she sung the Wiggles last night, and it got me so annoying. So this is what she gets for singing that. Ha 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 ha. Alright, now I need to get a firework. Let me see. Aha! Found one. Let me just put it in my pocket. Alright, now it's time to strap baby puppy onto the rocket. Hey baby puppy. Yeah, agree? Do you see that firework right there? Yeah, I do. I want you to go lean back on the rocket. Okay. What the? Hey, I'm stuck. I can't move. That's just because I put super glue on the rocket so you can be on it. This is what you get for singing 5 songs from the Wiggles last night. So take this. No, please don't. Too bad. No, 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 no. Please don't do this. Why? Hi, Dree. What's going on? Oh, firework search is launching. Whoa. What was that? Ah! Oh my god, baby puppy, what happened? Dree strapped me onto a firework just because I sung 5 songs from the Wiggles last night. Dree, how dare you strap baby puppy onto a firework? That's it. You are grounded until the first day of school. Go to your room right now. Worth it. Have a fun, happy 4th of July. Make sure to stay safe around the fireworks.